This is how to reset your service indicator on your Mercedes A-Class. This is a 2002 model. It's a diesel, but they're all the same. And what we're going to try and get rid of is the really annoying beep. There we go. That's saying 376 overdue. That's days, but it counts up in 2, so it's 6 months overdue. So we're going to get rid of that. We're going to use the top left button, which has got the, you can see 3 zeros on it, and the ignition key. There we go. So start with the ignition off, turn the ignition on, and straight away double tap that top button. So ignition on, 1, 2. That brings up your service indicator. Turn the ignition off. Press and hold that button while it's still flashing. Turn the ignition on. And then we wait. Keep it pressed. Keep pressing it. And then you can release. 13,730 days. Cycle the ignition. No beep. No annoying numbers. You can double tap the button and it'll show you when your next one's due. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.